Ever wondered who structures the vast amounts of data that drive our digital world? Enter the data warehouse developer. These unsung heroes are the hidden architects of data shaping the foundations of our digital economy. They're the ones who ensure that businesses can access, analyze, and utilize data effectively. From small startups to multinational corporations, every company relies on these data maestros to make sense of the numbers. So, are you ready for a deep dive? Stay tuned to uncover the dynamic world of a data warehouse developer. A data warehouse developer is not just a job title, it's a role filled with diverse responsibilities. At the heart of it all, these professionals are responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining data warehouses. They're the data architects, creating structures that hold vast amounts of information. But it's not just about construction, they also ensure the data within these warehouses is accurate and accessible. Imagine a librarian, but instead of books, they're dealing with data. They organize, catalog, and make sure that the right data is available for the right people at the right time. They also work on data extraction, transformation, and loading, often referred to as ETL processes. Alongside this, they collaborate with data analysts and other IT professionals, making sure the data warehouse aligns with business goals and strategies. They're problem solvers, constantly on the lookout for ways to improve data storage and retrieval. As you can see, it's a role that combines technical skills with a deep understanding of data. So what does it take to become a data warehouse developer? Well, the first thing you'll need is a solid understanding of SQL, the language of databases. This isn't just about knowing the syntax, you'll need to be able to craft complex queries and optimize them for performance. Next, you'll need experience with ETL tools. ETL stands for extract, transform, load. And it's the process of taking data from one place, changing it in some way, and then putting it somewhere else. Data modeling is another key skill. This is about understanding how to structure data in a way that makes it useful for analysis. But it's not all technical skills. Problem solving is a huge part of the job. You'll often be faced with data puzzles that need solving, and it's your job to figure out the best approach. Attention to detail is also crucial. A single error in a line of code can have huge implications, so you'll need to be meticulous in your work. Armed with these skills, a data warehouse developer can make sense of complex data landscapes. Every job has its challenges and rewards, and being a data warehouse developer is no different. One of the main challenges in this role is managing large volumes of data. It's like being a librarian in the biggest library in the world, where the books are constantly multiplying. This requires a keen eye for detail, an analytical mind, and a lot of patience. Another challenge is staying up to date with evolving technologies. The world of data is ever-changing, and as a data warehouse developer, you need to be adaptable, constantly learning and growing with the industry. But let's not forget the rewards. There's the competitive salary, of course, but it's more than that. There's the satisfaction of solving complex problems, of turning chaos into order, of making sense of the seemingly nonsensical. And then there's the potential for career advancement. With experience and expertise, you could move into senior roles or even branch out into related areas like data science or business intelligence. The challenges may be tough, but the rewards make it all worthwhile. A career as a data warehouse developer isn't a dead-end street. It's a highway to numerous opportunities. With a solid foundation in data warehousing, you'll find doors opening to roles that were previously out of reach. Picture yourself as a data architect, designing and building complex data ecosystems, or perhaps a business intelligence developer, creating tools and strategies that transform raw data into actionable business insights. In today's data-driven world, the demand for data professionals is skyrocketing. The beauty of this field is that it's always evolving. New technologies, new methodologies, and new challenges emerge, providing an endless landscape of learning and growth. You might start as a data warehouse developer, but who knows where this journey will take you. And it's not just about job titles. As you grow in your career, you'll find yourself mastering new skills, solving more complex puzzles, and making more impactful contributions to your organization. You'll become a vital asset, a key player in your team's success. Remember, in the realm of data, there's always something new to learn, always a new problem to solve, always a next step to take. So don't view your role as a data warehouse developer as a final destination. It's merely a starting point, a launchpad to a dynamic and rewarding career in the vast universe of data. As a data warehouse developer, you're not just building data structures, you're building a promising career.